So, as I mentioned previously, you'll want to take a little bit of time once you get to Japan to actually reserve your tickets and plan your trip out. So, head to a JR Rail machine. And here you'll see at the screen, on the very first screen, in the bottom left hand corner, the Japan Rail Pass button. Tap that button. Don't worry about selecting English. If you select the JR Rail Pass button, everything will come up in English afterwards. Here on this screen, click Select Train to use now. Don't worry, you don't have to use the train now. This is just you selecting this option to book your tickets or reserve your seats now. You don't have to use the train immediately. Here you'll be prompted to select the number of people that are going on the trip. And in this screen, this is where you'll be prompted to scan the QR code, which is on your JR Rail Pass. So again, you'll see the little Rail Pass on the right hand side. It has a little QR code. Scan it. You will be sent to this screen now where you will put in your passport number. Again, it is not just the four last digits, it is the entire passport number, letters and numbers. It'll take you to this screen where you select your departure station, your arrival station. You can pick your date, you can pick the time, and then it'll take you to another screen where you can select your seat on the train. After that, you will basically be given your ticket. As you can see where I circled in red or put a little square box, that is your car number as well as your seat number. Again, this is just proof that you have a reserved ticket. You have to use the actual JR Rail Pass, the one with the QR code to get in and out of the stations. Here's a quick shot of the machine itself. On the bottom right hand side, you'll see the QR code scanner. And then if you actually get stuck, you can always lift up the little flap on the left hand side and push that green button, and someone will be there to help you if you need some support.